Hi, today I want to cover input masks. Input masks are something that stops or rather forces us to input data in the correct format. For example, the correct number of numbers in a phone number, or an example I'm going to use today, the correct format for a postcode. As you can see from the example that we worked through, we can leave the postcode out, or I can just hit anything and it'll accept it. Now, if we wanted to do a query by area for perhaps the postcode that we're buying most of the packages off us, then our query wouldn't pick that data out because it doesn't mean anything. So we need to make sure that our database, we're forced to enter meaningful data. So that's where an input mask comes in handy. So if we look at our design, we need to enter our a postcode, and to do that we'll use an input mask. But before I show you that, there are many different formats of postcode. So one typical format is for the college, for example, is SA2 9EB, and then another typical format is SA15 1TY. Basically, you've got letter, number, letter. That's the format that we enter an input mask in. Letter, number, and then we've got number again, and then letter. Those are the codes that we need to enter for us to enter a valid input mask. So we're going to pick this particular one, and so what we need to do is we need to go for letter, number, letter. We can enter a space, and then we do number, letter, and then it'll sort the syntax out for us. If we save that, and now we go to our database, you can see that it's already put some fields in for us. So I can now do SA2 9EB, and we now have meaningful data in our database. If I just wanted to hit anything, it's not going to work. It won't let me do it. It tells me it's not in the appropriate field. So that's fine. However, what if I wanted to enter SA15 1TY into my database? Let's have a go. SA15 1TY. It won't let me do it because it's restricted us down to 2 letters and 1 number, followed by a number and 2 letters. So it won't let me do it. So now I've tried to put SA15 1TY in, and it's changed my format. So I'm now entering incorrect data. So input masks are good. You need to do them for your assignment. However, you need to make sure that you do a catch-all situation for the input mask. I'm not going to give you the answer to that today, but I'm sure if you look around on the internet, it shouldn't take you too long to find the solution. So in this assignment, we'll want to see an input mask, and we'll want to see it where it can take a variation of postcodes. So have a look around the web, find the solution, and include that in your input mask. And don't forget, you can use these input masks in other areas on your assignment as well, especially for phone numbers, etc. That's your challenge, and I hope you can all live up to it, figure out the correct syntax for the postcode, and include that in your assignments. Thank you very much.